Build a professional website in 7 days. Want to build a professional website in just 7 days? Whether you're starting a business, launching a blog, or creating a personal portfolio, this step-by-step guide will show you how, with or without coding skills. We'll share free and paid tools, explain both coding and no-code methods, and even give tips for creating a standout website for free. Ready? Let's get started. Every successful website starts with a clear plan. Today, we'll define your website's purpose, target audience, and essential features. Then, we'll select a platform that fits your needs. WordPress.com. Great for blogs and simple websites with free hosting. Wix Free Plan, drag and drop functionality with free templates. WordPress.org, ideal for advanced customization, requires domain and hosting. Squarespace, all-in-one paid platform with sleek designs. Use GitHub Pages or Netlify for hosting static sites built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Free, but requires basic coding knowledge. Building your website, a step-by-step guide. List the main pages you'll need, for example, home, about, contact services. Compare website builders for features like drag-and-drop editors, plugins, and customization. Purchase a domain name through providers like Namecheap or Google Domains. Day 2 is all about design. Whether you're using pre-made templates or coding from scratch, focus on creating a user-friendly layout that aligns with your brand. Canva, create banners and visuals. Wix, Squarespace, use pre-designed templates. Figma, plan layouts collaboratively. Learn CSS frameworks like Bootstrap for responsive designs. Use Visual Studio Code for coding and live preview. Stick to a cohesive color scheme and font style. Keep navigation simple. Don't overwhelm visitors with too many menu options. Ensure your design is mobile-friendly by testing it on different devices.
Enhancing website content creation. Your content is the heart of your website. Today, focus on writing clear, compelling text and incorporating visuals to enhance engagement. Grammarly, for grammar and spell checking. Unsplash Pexels, free high-quality images. Canva Free, for creating graphics. Adobe Stock, premium stock images. Jasper AI, AI-powered content writing assistance. Include a strong call to action, CTA, on each page. For example, sign up, learn more. Optimize images for faster loading. Use storytelling to connect with your audience. Day 4, configuring features and plugins. It's time to make your website functional. Whether you're adding forms, social media links, or e-commerce capabilities, Day 4 is all about customization. Use Wix apps or Squarespace extensions for easy feature integration. Elementor, drag-and-drop page builder. Yoast SEO, optimize your site for search engines. WooCommerce, for online stores. Integrate third-party APIs for advanced features like chatbots. Use Google's reCAPTCHA for secure forms. Test every feature, for example, Forms buttons, for smooth operation. Keep plugins updated to prevent security vulnerabilities. Use Google Analytics to monitor visitor behavior. Mastering website discoverability with SEO. Optimizing for search engines, SEO. Now, let's make your website discoverable. Day 5 focuses on SEO, the key to attracting organic traffic. Google Search Console, submit your site for indexing. Ubersuggest, basic keyword research. SEMrush, in-depth keyword analysis and competitor tracking. Ahrefs, comprehensive backlink and SEO audit tools. Write meta titles and descriptions for every page. Compress images to improve site speed, try TinyPNG. Use schema markup to enhance search results. Testing and tweaking your website for flawless performance. We're almost there! Today, we'll test your website across different browsers and devices to ensure it's flawless. Google's mobile-friendly test, check mobile compatibility. Browser Stack, trial, test on various browsers. Use Chrome DevTools to debug and test responsiveness. Check for broken links and spelling errors. Gather feedback from friends or colleagues. Fix any issues based on user input.